last video we got to the point we've got a player sprite, we've got some ground, not much else. The ground, I'm going to duplicate that. I'm holding down the control key on my keyboard and dragging, and I'm going to make this level a bit more interesting. So I'm just going to keep doing that and make some platforms for him to jump around on. So makes it perhaps a little bit more interesting for the player. But there's not a lot to do at the moment. I think the first thing I'm going to do is add some collectibles. I think we're going to go around and collect some coins. So I'm going to start off by adding a new coin object. So sprite, as ever. And I'm going to name it, really important, coin. Add an animation, edit with Piscal. I'm going to choose a coiny kind of color, yellowish. Would be good. Circle tool. Let's fill that circle. That's good enough for now. So I have a coin, and I will, just to remember how to do this, edit my hitbox. That's not very good at the moment. So custom collision mask, add a polygon, add a point, and just a reminder that it's not a good idea to spend hours and hours editing your hitboxes to get it absolutely perfect. That will be more than good enough for typical kind of platformer gameplay. Right, now the reason I particularly wanted to do this because it gives us an introduction to the event sheet. You'll notice when we made the new scene, we also got a new scene events. So when something happens, we can get something else to happen. So I'm going to add a new event, and the thing that's going to happen is add condition when the player, and I'm just going to quick search, collision is just in that list, and when it's the collision is with coin. Okay, and the action is going to be that the coin is just going to get deleted, which I think, yeah, delete an object. So delete the specified object. So player on collision with coin deletes the coin. Let's just check, see that that does what we think it would do. Jump up there, the coin is gone, and in my gameplay I can do that same. Let me resize this first, make it a little bit smaller, put it down there, hold down the control key, and let's have a bunch of them which we can go around and collect. Run around and collect my coins. Seems to be working very much to plan. Next video we'll look at counting how many coins I have collected.